Where's oh,
whoa. Just look at that thing.
come on! You're sub-delinquent. Come on, dude. I got you. Good, right?
I'm about to call 911.
So here at MotoGeo, we usually take loads of shots when we create our adventure videos. But for this one, I'm going to quite simply put a GoPro on the front of my crash helmet and then meet up with a buddy and take you along for the ride. So let's gear up, grab the keys to my machine and then go from that camera to this one. Let's go.
Teleport!
Yeah!
So long!
I know, my friend. How long is it? Look at this. This is amazing, isn't it?
What a place to teleport. I have no idea where I'm at. I don't know what we're going to do. I don't know what we're going to eat. We have to eat there.
Yes, we do.
Gotta be on the agenda.
We do, we do.
You're a burger guy, right?
I'm a total burger guy, man. I love my burgers.
We're going to get along great.
I haven't seen you in a while. I want to take you on one of my favourite roads.
Yep.
And then we'll go down PCH. PCH is just full of everything, a lot of traffic.
Oh, where we're going to eat?
Yeah, as we get close to it, you might start to click, but
surprise.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
You're on your faithful machine. I love this. This thing's been around the world and back.
This has been all over the world.
It has, pretty much, yeah. This is a Ducati that really has been ridden.
You're just going to be gone like a rocket ship. And I'm
No, this is not the Isle of Man. This is me hanging out with my buddy, so let's just go ride. Ready? I just dusted him. Now this is one of my favourite roads. Up here is residential, so we're just going to take it nice and steady. Soon there is no residence, and also the road becomes one way, so we can really enjoy it. And I really love this area, riding into Panga and Malibu, because to be honest with you, every road that you take is a really great motorcycling road. There's a trailhead there that people take and drive their cars up here and head off on picnics, and we're going to head down here. Now this is popular with anything with two wheels, so cyclists too. Sub-Delinquent behind me has an awesome following on YouTube. He's done a great job with his videos. So if you haven't already, follow Sub-Delinquent. Okay, one way, see that? One way. Okay, see on the floor too, right. Okay, now we can enjoy it. Yes. Oh, I love this about motorcycling, just riding the corners, enjoying yourself. Yes, buddy. This is a great time. And also part of motorcycling is just, you know, having fun with your friends, and it's a unique experience, and very individual is motorcycling, riding it, but when you can do it with your buddies. There he is. This guy should easily let us through. Thank you, bud. Thank you. That's a brilliant corner here. Another good corner. They're all good up here. I just love the music of the Ducati. Straight line a few corners. Look at that view. Amazing. Oh, these are probably where the longboarders are going to be. Oh, where's oh, oh, he's there. Fun, man. That's one of my favourites, because you just don't have to worry about traffic, you know? The first time I came down there, I came down on the back of Max Biaggi on a scooter.
You were on the back?
Yeah, and I was filming, and I didn't know it was one way, and he scared the living daylights out of me coming down there.
One of the last times I've ever been on the back of a motorcycle,
yeah,
on the back of your bike, and you had me crying like a little girl.
Right, well, let's go and enjoy PCH and all what it brings. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Gorgeous, yes. Busy, also. Got to be careful of that. People braking in front of you, that was me, my mistake. So whatever you do on a motorbike, don't do that. We've got a police car, a police bike in front. Just stay a nice distance back from this guy. Don't want him getting all worried. We're not really going this way, but we'll let him do his job. You know where we're going yet? Have you got any idea? Have you got any thought in your mind?
I'm trying to think about it. There's not that many places up the road.
Oh man, it's littered with places. Look at that, cool, huh? Do you still love your GSXRs much?
Oh, they tried to give me an R1M. Like, I'm scared to park it, I'm scared to leave it, scared to scratch it. I can't ride that bike the way I want to ride it.
Yeah.
I took it back, I said, no, I'm happy with my GSXR.
Good lads.
Their heads exploded.
And when people ask me about the Scrambler, do you still love it as much? I'm like, no, I love it way more.
Way more.
I guess I should take my key though, huh?
Look at that for a view. Whoa.
You can pull in another spot, or should we just go?
You got another spot like this?
Hey buddy. Hey, thank you buddy. More popular than the other one, huh? No, don't get off here, we've got to keep going.
Oh.
Right. Oh. Flip a b. You know, you wouldn't believe how bad the traffic is. I'll have to do a video of just showing you. Break from that is definitely riding a motorcycle. It is dangerous to a certain degree, but it's a lot of fun. They're all individual, they all give you a different sensation, and motorcycles are just full of sensation because you're really sat on top of the engine. Pull out, thank you. Definitely better to be safe than sorry. This area here is really popular with tourists coming down to the beach. Thank you guys. There he is, sub-delinquent.
I'll race this white line to the white line across the intersection.
You're gonna no, it's full of cops around here. Let's do that in the canyon. It's full of cops. Another cop, look. I told you. I called it. They're crawling on a weekend around here. Now I'm a good boy. If I was coming and taking anybody out for the first time in LA, definitely bring them down here because it's pretty stunning. Good view. And then food. Pretty good, huh? The first time I came here, I couldn't believe it. Coming from Yorkshire, which rains a lot of the time, I fell in love with California at that point.
Until you touch the ocean.
It's something else, man. When I went to Catalina, the water was so clear. So not that far away, it's gorgeous, but right here now.
Didn't you race the Catalina Grand?
Yeah, on the old motocross bike that I have in my garage. But I crashed on the first lap and I broke the front brake lever. I had to do the rest of the race with only one brake.
I had a boat at that point. Didn't you try to get me to put...
Yeah, but your boat was super small. You were like, if you want it to sink. You took me out once in Long Beach, just not even far, and I was scared of that.
That was a bad day. Even if we were to get your bike on the boat,
yeah.
I don't know how we would have gotten it off.
It was a motocross bike, I could have jumped it off.
How far do you think you can get your scrambler into the stand?
It's a scrambler, man. This thing will go anywhere.
I'll give you $50 if you can touch me on that.
You've got no chance, dude. I am not getting arrested.
Coming through. Nope.
Very British of me to miss a fist bump. I do a lot of high-fiving, so I should be getting better. The English people just shake hands. Fist bump though. Oh, awesome. Thank you, man. Did you guess it?
I had an idea.
Yeah. Motorbikes everywhere.
Mine is a mess. Look at that thing.
Bacon. Just had the knucklehead burger at Neptune's Net here in Malibu. It was a big feed and it was good.
Don't patronize that bathroom.
No, I don't like seeing that, dude. Like people riding sport bikes with no leather jacket, just squidding it, and the police are already flashing their lights. He's gonna get someone. Oh, that thing looks heavy, man. See you, dude. Have a good ride. It's go through the canyon and then up into the hillside. I missed the road. I need to flip around. Sorry, it was that one.
Not a bad view from here.
I know, look at it. Look at this guy fishing. He's getting his dinner. Let's try and get the right road this time. Time to get away from the traffic. Look That's a wheelie, man. So this is a fun canyon road. It's not that popular. You got to be careful because it is a little dirty. There's rocks that do fall down. It's super bumpy, but it's a fun road because it's real twisty. And we're going to go all the way to the top of it, and it's got a great view at the top. It's just nice to be able to ride some corners, you know. For me, that's what's all about riding a motorcycle on the street, is this bit. You don't want to make a mistake up here, you know. Not many people to help you, so take your time, learn the craft. The beautiful noise it makes, the music, I feel like a musician. A little dirty that corner, so a little careful. Oh, I've caught some more motorcyclists, some other guys having fun. Cheers, buddy. It's very nice of him to let us by.
Danny, you know the best roads. I feel like we're in another country.
I know, isn't it amazing? You can't even believe that millions of people live just over there. Let's go and enjoy a few corners. Here, I'll follow you a bit.
Follow me?
Now this guy can wheelie and he's a good rider, so I can hang with him nice and close. Look at this, I've not seen a car for quite a while. So where we're going to go now is a place called God's Seed, and I featured it in a video I did earlier on this year called Showtime. On the Dorsaduro is a place that used to be pretty famous in the 60s for the Hells Angels that hang out there. It's got some connection to motorcycles. Whoa, a bit dirty that corner. Look at this. Look at this road. It's not the best condition, but it's super fun. And I've just got stock suspension on this Ducati, so there's no adjustment on these forks. Very little sophistication in the suspension. Bumpy. And the only other person that's here is a motorbike. Yeah, this is a good view up here, man. Hey guys, are you well? Gotta do a bit of climbing now, dude. Come on, come this way. Come on, dude, look where we are. Come on. This is God's seat, dude. Come on. You're sub-delinquent. Come on, dude. You saw that girl up here, don't be a p***. I'll help you.
How am I going to get down?
This way's easy down. Dude, let me help you. Dude, it was so easy. Let me show you.
You're telling me for sure it's easier to get down.
Look, I'm just walking.
Oh, don't do that.
Dude, just walk up here. Here, give me a hand.
No, don't.
Dude, just get into here. Look, you got to get on here.
I was afraid of heights until just now. Oh my God, don't do that.
What's up with you? And all I did was put my foot there, hand here, and get into here and then walk up. I can't believe you're so scared of heights, you f***.
No, I was scared of heights until just now.
Well, now you know. Come on, there's no such word as can't. Right, and now just walk up the side of the walls. And this guy is usually so brave. This is God's seat, my friend.
Yeah, I gotta get down.
No, dude, you're up. You gotta get down this way.
Huh?
Get down this way, it's easy. I got you. Look at him, look at his. Come on, stand up, you
I'm not standing up.
Come. Good, right?
You're insane. I didn't know I was scared of heights.
What? How do you feel? Like really like anxious?
I'm about to call 911.
Look at the big bird there. Look, is that a hawk? An eagle? I don't know what that is.
Oh my God, please sit down.
So if I fell, you wouldn't come and get me? You'd just leave me?
I'd call 911. I'd say, I don't know where, but he fell here.
Just sit on your ass and make your way down nice and gently. Oh yeah, there's a bit of a drop. Look at this.
Glad we're not up there on the Hall Rock.
This is a better place. You feel more chilled here, right? Look at that beautiful butterfly. Look how big it is. In the city, that'd be on somebody's windscreen.
Well, with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video.
All right, my friend. Well, that was absolutely awesome riding with you. Let's do it again sometime.
I can't thank you enough for having me out and showing me these beautiful roads.
Amazing.
And I'll catch you guys next time.
Thank you, buddy. Nice one. So here we are, the ending. Have you enjoyed yourself, buddy?
Yeah.
Has that been good? Some good roads?
I was a little scared. The last part of this, I was like a nervous wreck.
This is what it's all about. It's worth riding hours to get here.
You know, it's worth riding hours to stand this far back.
Yeah.
You're crazy.
It's been awesome hanging out with Sub-Delinquent. He is an awesome dude. If you haven't already, check out his channel. He's got a shop, loads of merchandise. He's a good dude. He loves motorbikes, so go and support him. MotoGeo, if you've enjoyed this video, it's totally new, a new experience, brought to you with the help of Sub-Delinquent. talking in my helmet, going for a ride. If you like what you see, hit the comment section. And as always, thank you to all of our sponsors and supporters. This is MotoGeo and Delinquent. Later. It's okay on camera, I call you right?
Chaparral? Yep. You're going there to buy a bike? Yeah. Oh, I love this guy.
I wouldn't go to the rim of the Grand Canyon if I were you then.
I did that once and I wasn't that scared.
Really? For a man who rides a bike like a total badass like you do, that was funny.
God can have his seat. I want nothing to do with God's seat.